Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we have to turn off the automatic time and the time zone. Now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping. The same situation with the time, you can change it just by swiping again and it will be immediately applied. The same with the time zone, just tap on it and here you've got the list of all available time zones from which you can choose, so find yours and then tap on it, for example this Georgetown or whatever. So it will be immediately applied, and of course the time will be affected by the time zone. If you want to, you can also use dual clock. Just tap on this switcher and the first clock will show you the time from the place you're currently in or from the place for which the time zone is set, and the second you can choose the second clock, so you can choose any other place in the world. You can search for a city and set it. You can also decide how you want to display it to a clock, and basically this is how it works. What is more, you can change the time format. So here we've got the 24-hour one or 12-hour format. It's totally up to you. And if you want to get back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just tap on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.